Hi everybody, welcome back and welcome if you are new. My name is Casey. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have two little girls. They're 6 and 2, and I'm married to a real cute guy, and we live here in Texas, and I'm a homemaker and I love it, and I take care of my family and my home. And I thought I'd share that with the world, so I decided to start making YouTube videos. So here we go. In today's video, we are going to be tackling my pantry and the fridge. And my fridge is filthy at the moment, and I can't believe I'm gonna be showing it to you all, but I am, and it's needing some attention. So my goal here is to get the pantry taken care of and the fridge taken care of, because in a few short weeks, I am hosting Thanksgiving here and for my family. And not to mention, this is my very first ever Thanksgiving that I have hosted as an adult. And I'm a little nervous, and my mom keeps reassuring me that it's gonna be okay. And I'm sure it will, but I am still a little nervous about it. So in a few weeks from now, the next couple of videos, we're gonna do a Thanksgiving prep. And so we're really gonna dive into it and get ready and maybe do a little tablescape, and we're gonna see how we're gonna set the table and how I'm gonna decorate it. It'll be a lot of fun. But today, we need to tackle that pantry and clean out the fridge, because I got people coming and I don't want them to see my dirty side. So I'm just gonna show it here for all of you to see it, and my family. Anyhow, so we need to clean the kitchen first because it's a hot mess, and then we're gonna clean up the hot mess of a pantry and a fridge. So stick around, enjoy. I hope you find some motivation, or you just enjoy watching me do all the cleaning. If you do enjoy it, I would be so grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up, and if you subscribed, hit that notification little bell. It tells you every time I upload a video, which I'm trying to get out every single Friday for you. And also, please leave a comment. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what you're doing for Thanksgiving. I'd really love to get to know some of you guys, because I've had quite a few new subscribers this week. And I would love to know where you are watching from and what you're up to lately. So stick around and let's get started. All of these clear plastic bins I just bought from TJ Maxx. They're all very reasonably priced, and I will show you how I'm going to use them in the pantry, and it's going to look fantastic. I cannot get these spots off. I rubbed and rubbed, but it's actually the paint that's coming off of the shelves, unfortunately, so need to do some touch up in here.
It's funny how changing out these little clear bins from the white bins just makes such a difference, and it looks really great, and I just love the way it turned out. I don't do this every time that I buy snacks, but I do it every now and then, and it kind of just makes the pantry look so tidy and neat, and it's visually appealing. So cleaning out the pantry did a lot of good because I was able to take a big haul to Goodwill of all the stuff that I just no longer use anymore. We have other Tupperware, but this is Tupperware we just don't use, and I thought, why keep it around? It's just clutter. I'm so bad at remembering to take my reusable bags to the grocery store, so I end up buying more, and now I have too many. Does anybody else have a million koozies that you just shove in places to try to hide, like me? So a little tip here, I keep this box with these napkins and these forks for when we have people over. If it's a party or if it's just a little get together, it just makes it easy. I just pull it out of the pantry, put it on the island, and people can just get what they need, and I restock it before. But yeah, it's very convenient to have to just pull out of your pantry when you need it. I've been meaning to finish adding the labels to these clear plastic containers, and I'm glad I have the motivation to finally get it done. But also, if I need the instructions for how to make, the oats or the rice, depending on which rice it is, I just cut out the instructions you can see here, and I put them in the container with it. Or you could tape it to the back, whatever you like. But I just think when you have your oats and your rice and all of the things, your sugars, your flours, They look so nice and neat and pretty when they're in the clear containers. But you can still tape the instructions to the back if you ever need to do so, or the expiration date, just depending. So yeah. Just in case you forgot what it looked like before. And here we go for that big reveal. This organization makes my brain very, very happy. Now if I can just keep it this way, then it will be better. And it probably still looks like a lot, but I took 3 bags full of containers and things I don't use anymore, and I'm going to take them to Goodwill. I meant to ask this before, but are you team rinse or team no rinse and stick it straight in the dishwasher? It's a divided house here, but I'm always going to rinse. Can't forget the paintbrushes. We did a lot of pumpkin painting around here the other day. My favorite part of this entire video. Look at that! Yes! Time to tackle this yucky, filthy fridge. Yeah, I know you see it. That box wine. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Well, we're about to the end of this week's video, and I just want to say thank you guys. I appreciate you so much for watching my videos, for coming back, to, you know, people who've been here and the new subscribers I have. It's so awesome. I love seeing new subscribers, and it's just so much fun, and I'm really enjoying it. But I really just want to say thank you for watching. It means so much. And thanks for supporting me on this little YouTube adventure that I've started and I'm having so much fun with. And I look forward to putting out a new video next week for y'all. I'm doing videos every Friday. So I'll see y'all back. Bye.